How to fix Duolingo app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that your Duolingo app is updated. Head over to your Play Store and search for Duolingo. As you do so, if you see update, tap onto it and update your app. Now come back and open up your settings. Here scroll below onto apps and search for Duolingo. At this app info page, scroll below and tap on storage. Here clear the cache. Come back, also tap on force stop and tap on OK. Now once it is so, see if this fixes your problem. If not, you have to uninstall this Duolingo and reinstall it again. Tap on to uninstall and tap on OK, and you can simply download this app again from your Play Store. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.